So now we're going to pull it out of the box. There she is in all her glory. She's thinner, lighter, and faster. Just the plug and the cord. That's the only thing in there. Now I do have to admit, when I was at the Best Buy store, the guy asked me if he wanted him to put the invisible shield on, and I said absolutely. Why don't you go ahead? So for a $15 fee, he opened up the box and put my new screen shield on, but I never touched it, and so right now it's the first time I've actually pulled it out of the box and touched it.